If you get this error message from Magic the Gathering Arena and the error says an error occurred, please restart or exit the application. Now you may get this whether on mobile game or PC. Now follow the instructions very carefully. Normally this occurs when there is an issue on their end, specifically when the servers are down. If you go to the Magic Arena subreddit forum, you can see lots of people complaining regarding the same problem. And lots of people just say they also faced the same issue, and after a few hours, the problem normally resolved by itself. Now, on the error messages screen here, you can select check status to check if their servers are down. Or you can come to this page here. I'll provide the link on the description of this video. As you can see right now, all systems are operational for this game. But if they are down, as they show here, the platform, whether it's game, logins, matches, social, or store, if their servers are down, you just need to wait for a few hours and the issue will likely resolve by itself. Now, while you wait, you can try this step. Now, on your phone, try to restart your network. You can turn on flight mode, then wait for a few seconds, and then turn it off. Connect your Wi-Fi or mobile data, and then try to relaunch the game by searching here, which is Magic the Gathering. Then after searching it, try to open and check if the problem has been resolved. Now, if you're still facing again the same issue, just go on your settings and then scroll down and select on apps. Now search here for Magic, tap on the Magic game, scroll down, tap on storage, and ensure that to clear the app cache, if you see an option to clear cache. Also go to the Play Store or App Store and ensure that you have the latest version of the game, which is Magic the Gathering Arena. By follow all the instructions here, you'll be able to resolve this issue. But in most cases, if it all fails, then it's not you, the issue is on the end. You'll have to wait until the servers are restored.